Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to class 2 subject English text. We are going to start book work of your English active course book 2 book. Students, open your book page number 9. Exercise B, we are doing circle the correct answer. What do you dash in the sea? Sea/here. Circle the sea. Number 2. Snails and whales using their dash. Fins/tails. Tails. Circle the tails. Number 3. Seals and eels looking for dash. Meals/animal. Circle the meals. Catfish and flatfish are dash fatfish. Chasing/racing. Chasing is the correct answer. Circle the chasing. Now students, open your book page number 10 now. Vocabulary. Many kinds of animal live in the sea. Sea snail, seal, eel, crab, octopus, starfish, catfish, flatfish, whale, shark. Next exercise, students, unscramble the letters to write the names of sea animals. Do correction. Write the correct spellings. CRAB crab, EEL eel, WHALE whale, SEAL seal, SHARK shark. Students, in the next video we will start next pages. Now open page number 11. Remember verbs in the present continuous tense tells us about things that are happening. जो हो रहा है present continuous is telling. The whale is looking for food. Whale food तलाश कर रही है. The seals are swimming. Seals swimming कर रही. Come on, next exercise, friends. Fill in the blanks with verbs in the present continuous tense. First write am, is or are. Then add ing to the verb in the bracket. Am always used with I. Is used for singular or are used for plural. Solve the exercise 1. The animals dash move freely. Animals more than one. Are move, move, use ing with move, moving. The shark, one, shark is one, not as is here. Is chase, put ing with chase, chasing. Number 3. I dash look at the fish tank. I am always used with I. Look, add ing, looking. Number 4. The crab dash crawl on the sea floor. Crab is one. Is use is. The crab is crawl, put ing, CRAWLING, crawling. Number 5. That seal dash splash the water. Seal is one, put is. Splash, put ing, splashing. Now open book page number 12. We use the word more when we compare two or more people, animals or things. More is comparative degree. We will do comparison two or more. I mark the two names here. Sharks are more dangerous than whale. Seals are more difficult to catch than fish. There are more fish in a river than in a pond. Next, we use the word most when we compare three or more people, animals, or things. Its superlative degree. Superiority will be. This is the most beautiful fish in the tank. सबसे beautiful. Sea animals are the most interesting animals. सबसे ज़्यादा interesting animals हैं sea animals. George thinks the zoo is the most exciting place of all. सबसे ज़्यादा exciting place है zoo. Add more or most in the following sentences. That is number 1. That is the dash colorful painting in the class. Dash colorful painting in the class. Superlative degree. Most will be here. Number 2. This book is dash interesting than that magazine. Two names comparison. More will be here. 3. A shark bite is dash painful than a jellyfish bite. Shark bite, jellyfish bite. Two names. Comparison. Comparative degree. More will be here. Number 4. Mangoes are dash expensive than bananas. Mangoes and bananas. Comparison. Comparative degree. More. Write more here. Number 5. Some people think the shark is the dash dangerous of all sea animals. सबसे ज़्यादा dangerous animal है. Superlative degree. Most will be here. Open book page number 16 student. Writing. Look at the pictures. Write sentences to answer the questions below. Use the helping words given. Remember to use verbs in the present continuous tense. Questions के आंसर्स देने हमें स्टूडेंट्स. हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स अवेलेबल हैं और कौन सा टेंस यूज होगा? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, जिसमें आता है एस एम आर वर्ब के साथ ing. Number 1. What are the fish doing? Option: swim in fish tank. Answer: the fish are swimming in the fish tank. Number 2. What are the boys doing? Options: play basketball. The boys are playing basketball. Number 3. What is Alia doing? Read book. Alia is reading a story book. Number 4. What is Sam's mother doing? Buy fruits. Answer: Sam's mother is buying fruits. Number 5. What is the bus driver doing? Options: wait, children, sit down. Answer: the bus driver is waiting for the children to sit down. Now open book page number 17. Review. What did you learn? You should have to write tick in the box. We have learned 3 options. 1, 2, 3 tick here. Now th sound. Write words that have the th sound. Read on page number 13. Spelling. Option A. Read the words below. They all have the th sound too. Them, that, the, them, then, these, their, they, this, with. Remember these words. Now write these words here. th words too. As you like, you can write here. Dear students, we have completed unit 1 now. Whole work we have done, copy work, and also we have done book work. So requested to you, please complete your index also in the copy. And in the next week, I will take your test of whole chapter unit 1. Learn unit 1 now. It's your homework. Thank you.